Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to delete Snapchat call history. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Snapchat app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the top left corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to open settings. Scroll down until you find the Delete Data tab. Once found it, select it and tap on the Clear Conversations feature. Here, you'll see a list of your recent chats and call history. Locate the contact whose call history you want to delete. For example, if you want to remove the call history with someone named Angel, tap the X icon next to their name. A pop-up will appear. Confirm by tapping Clear. Repeat this step for any other call histories you want to remove. This will delete the chat or call log from your device, though it does not delete it from the other person's end. So that's basically how you can delete Snapchat call history. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.